Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube video. In this video, I'll talk about my life updates and all the college and all that stuff. So, I'm really excited to be back and talk with you guys. Like, it's been a long time since I talked with you, like a long heart to heart conversation, like direct. I made some videos, but I didn't talk like this. So, I'm really excited to talk with you. So first, let's start. At this point, you all know that I have taken admission in BHMS college. That's in Kanpur, and uh, okay, let's like continue from like questions. I'll question myself, like answer. I'll question and answer myself. And in this video, I'll also wrap the whole year. Like this is like a kind of a concluding video for whole year. And these videos are not only for you guys. These videos are for me also. Like when I'll get older. Like then I'll watch my these videos and I'll like just remember everything so clearly. So a lot happened in last 5 to 6 months. I guess a lot happened. Like look, I literally want to tell you guys everything, like everything, but you know, I can't name or directly tell the things which happen in college. Like there are certain rules you can't take the name or you can't like name the incident because the people about which I'm talking, the people um, whom I'll take names, they also watch the video, so I can't name them or I can't like. Um, I'll just say like this happened, this happened. You can understand, like just like not the whole thing, but just the conclusion. Like I am understanding about friendships. I I am learning from 2 years like about friendships. There are many new things are coming. Like in whole 2 fucking years, I was not able to learn whole lessons. I'm still learning. Like I'm still learning, and I guess there's still more left. Like I'm learning how to. I learned like you have to in the first half of this year. Like, you must have boundaries in anything like relationship, friendships, anything. You must have boundaries. So there's many things. I'll keep you updated. Okay. But earlier when I started making video, not very like early, but I had a wish to make like in my heart to make video from I guess class 11th, but I was not able to make so. But now like from 4 or 5 months I started making. So when I started, I didn't know that my friends or people, except my friends, watch my videos with so much interest and they love it so much. They love me so much that they like literally. I feel really blessed and I like so grateful and thank you so much to the people, to God, like everyone. Thank you so much. Like, when I got to know that people love my videos so much, I can't like I'm feeling so happy right now. So now I feel more good to make these videos and I feel more good to talk. I like everything. Now I'll share more. Like oh my god, so much emotions in my heart right now. So I'm updating like college life. Mm, let's say it's going. I don't know what should I say. Like, should I say bad or should I say good? I don't know. Like, if you ask me, I came home. Like, it was. I don't know when the vacations will start, but I came home because I had my tickets already. So I came home. So college, I can't tell you so much because I missed my class as I came home. So I missed classes. So I can't tell you everything about college, but according to me it's average, like it's average literally. The Even though I have joined college, this is not the life I expected. Like it's not I'm not talking about institution or people, or it's about me. It's about me and my heart, my opinions, my mind, everything. It's everything about me, no one else. Like I don't feel satisfied, I don't feel fulfilled. Like I feel I am uh, meant for more. It's my heart's wish. Like I am capable for more. I am meant for more. It's not my life. This life, I do not deserve this life. Like this is what I feel. I don't. I am not saying that I'll do this. I'll do that. This is what I'm feeling. You know. Uh, this is the one of the ways through which I express myself. Like videos. I feel comfortable and I express myself through videos. So I'm talking about my heart, what I feel. So let's say I am manifesting some things for new year, like in the next year, and I'll tell you if it comes true. And I'm damn sure it will come true. And there's nothing like about love in college, like nothing. Literally, literally nothing. And friends, let's not talk about this. I don't want to talk about this. 'Cause if I say something, yeah, like I can say some things like which are not related with any person. Like what I said earlier, conclusions. I can conclude things. Some things which are very universal, like being alone is better. Like earlier, I miss Kota every single day, and I miss home. I miss mom. I miss my friend who is still in Kota, and one friend who have joined MBBS. I miss them every single day, and yeah, being alone is better, and you can't trust people in college. You can't trust people, and yeah, let's leave this topic. Yeah, let's don't talk about friendships and friends. So let's talk about chatpati things which are good. Like I went to explore some things in the city. Like we went to buy some things, some clothes, some watch, and many other things. Like we did a kind of city. We didn't roam everywhere, but a little, like a little idea. I've got a hold of the city a little. I've got to know about college a little, and I'm learning so much. I'm learning so much, and about other things. About let's now talk about my life this year. This year was earlier. I used to think this year was tough only for me, but no, it was tough for everyone. Like I see people's stories, people like that everyone is sad. Something bad happened to everyone. I think this year was a tough year. This year was something like to teach you, to break you, to make you strong, to make you the. And there's something very important which I learned, like recently, that people, if you are a famous, like not a very big celebrity, but even a little in your life, like in your surrounding, if you're famous, like if you get fame, then people around you will support you. So like publicly, not like to you that they support you. You won't get that support, but for public they will support you. Like you're getting what I'm trying to say. Like uh, they'll say in front of people, like they support you, and uh, and everything, like they want you to win, but they'll try everything to pull you down. Everything. Support is a very distant thing. They won't even like you to get that fame. Like it irritates, like not irritate exactly, but I don't know other word, but irritate many people. Many people. You shine so bright. You shine so bright that many people can't like digest it. Like you are literally so good, so good, because they have never seen good people, like not in themselves or others. So it intimidates them, like how can someone be so good, and how can someone get fame or like these things. But you like learn how to deal with it. You learn with time and with betrayals. They talk behind your back. They'll be nice in front of you, but they talk behind your back, like back bitching and everything. Many things. You guys are aware of it. You know these things. These things happen with people. And whenever I listen something good, like there are many people. I literally use Instagram so much. So I listen on reels that. Once I saw रील जाकिर खान said बड़े लोगों के साथ ऐसा ही होता है. I make it my mantra, like literally if something bad happens to me I say बड़े लोगों के साथ ऐसा ही होता है, like not every time but I say so many times. I have cried so many times in hostel, like I'm a crybaby. So I cried many nights in hostel, and I felt alone many times. Even if I am in a group, I felt alone. And I'm very excited for New Year. Excited for New Year, new everything new. Like people are literally excited, even if not everything changes. But then also New Year, new you. So that's the good part. And I was more excited about making this video. I was more excited about talking with you guys, but just before that, I saw the news of Bangladesh, what happened in Bangladesh with the man, Hindu man, and I got disturbed. Like religion, how, like why you people put religion so, like so above, like above everything. You guys forget that humanity or other things are important. Like, I have never liked religious extremists. Never. People, there are people. I am talking with you. Look in my eyes. I'm talking with you, my fellow peers. You guys have made religion your identity. Like literally, religion is your identity. Have something yourself so that you have your own identity. Religion is your identity. Like first be a human, good human. Then you are Indian. Then you are anything else, like any religion, what religion, whatever you have. Okay, you guys have religion above everything, then you are Indian, then you are, lastly you are human. What the fuck? Like I'm talking with you, you know who you guys are. You guys are my fellow peers. Like you should think about it. We are the future of India. We are the future generation. We, whatever India will be, we'll make it. Like have some, like see what's happening, see. And let religion come after humanity and Indian nationality. And I hope you are getting, or if you are not getting, see what's happening in Bangladesh. That disturbed me a little, like, but I don't wanna say much about it because it's controversial. If you say something, it's very controversial. Many wars happen just because of religion. You guys know better than me. So I guess, but it's still I wanted to say that it's very bad. It's very bad. Like anyway, so you can tell me about your story, your college, how your year is wrapping, how you are ending your year, and what's happening in your college. Like my friends are also facing the same things which I'm facing. Like they have also joined college, so I can relate with them, they can relate with me. That's why they love my videos. And I just wanna say, after all, it's time, and time will pass. Even if it's good time or bad time, it will pass. That's the best thing about time. So let's better enjoy it, whatever, even if it's bad, even if it's good. Enjoy everything. Like, it will pass. It will pass one day, and if I look back, you know what? If 5 years from now or 10 years, let's say 5 years, because 10 years is very long. Like, I know it will pass, but it's very long. So, after 5 years, if I look back here today, and I see, um, I'll tell myself that you are very strong, Abhita. You are very strong child. I love you so much, and I'm proud of you for going on, for literally going on. Like, keep going, and you will pass this. There are so many beautiful things coming for you, which you have no idea, and the people love you. Even if can't see, 'cause bad things are more visible. Like, you see people hate you, or like you some they make you feel bad, but there are more people, more good people than bad, who love you. So keep making videos, keep going, and I love you, and thank you. And in the end, I wanna say, if you have some ideas for me, like some changes which I can make in my videos, some things which I'm not good at, some things which I should include, and other ideas, like anything you wanna say, write it. I literally wanna know so that I can improve. If you are a well wisher, and if you are not, like, just ignore it. You can write bad comments actually. It will help in engaging. Like, even though it will affect me for initial some days, but then I learn how to deal with it also. Literally, just I am wishing you guys a very happy New Year. Celebrate it. That New Year is after all a new year, literally. Yeah. So happy New Year, Merry Christmas. I don't celebrate, like, I want to celebrate Christmas, but I've never got the chance to celebrate. So that's why, uh, Merry Christmas and a very happy New Year. I love you guys. Bye bye. Take care, and take care of your loved ones, your family, and your friends. I love you all. Bye.